Hey everybody, it is Tuesday and it's 2 o'clock, so that means it is time for Top 5 Tuesday. I am your host from Crate Insider, Kate Dillon, and it is Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. And this week we have 5 products to tell you about, as well as a featured product as well. So what I wanted to tell you on our featured product, we haven't talked about this one in a while, and it's a fantastic product, and that is our Allgaier Bump Stop. And here with this bump stop, it is far more durable than really any of the other bump stops that are out there. And if this gives you too much pressure, what you can do is you can even cut these items. Even if you put them back together, it's going to test the same. It also comes with 5 of these packers. Each of these packers is going to add also more pressure. So the Allgaier Bump Stops have really been a great product for a lot of our customers, and so we've got them back in stock. So we were out of them for a little while, but we've got them back in stock, and so we've got those right there in the store, and those run, I think I want to say they're $60, but anyway, there's something like that. We'll have a link in the description wherever you're watching this video. And speaking of watching this video, hey, if you're seeing this, make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that like button, share this with a friend, and that really helps to get the word out, and we sure appreciate that very much. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and take a look at our top 5 products this week. And in the number 5 spot is from our friends at Klotz. So we just got a shipment also of this because it's been going so quickly, and this is our case of Klotz oil. This is a 1040. It is a full synthetic, so it's a fantastic oil to use. It's been tested, and it really will help with both horsepower and with longevity, all of those things. And a case of these, it's a case of 10, runs $182.50, so that gets you at $18.25 a quart, and really good oil. So we've been selling the Klotz for quite a while, and that's in the number 5 spot. In the number 4 spot, it was a product we talked about last week and did a video on, and these are our Willys fuel cap, venting fuel caps. And this is, definitely check out that video where we talk about these, but what's really good is you can never over-vent your fuel cell. This will really help, especially if you've got any situation where you are putting fuel back into your fuel cell. Even the littlest bit of air will build up pressure, and this fuel cell vent will help to vent that, and so you don't have any of those flow issues. So the Willys fuel cell cap with a high flow vent runs $156.95, and it is in the number 4 spot. Next up, in the number 3 spot, oh gosh, we love springs around here, and if it wasn't for the fact that I have now decided to limit how many times these products can be on our top 5 for the month, but last week we talked about the 602 matched valve springs. This week we're going to talk about our matched beehive valve springs for the 604s and the 525s. Here also we have lots and lots of boxes of springs. We open them up and we go through each and every one of them and rate them, and we get rid of any of the bad ones and put the good ones back into sets for you. And we have them both in intake and in exhaust. That's how they come packaged from us, and that way you know that you're getting a product that that you can trust and that is matched with one another, because that does make a difference. So our matched beehives are run $199.49, and we do have them. We just rated a whole nother batch. And now we also have the springs just straight from GM too, so if you would rather just buy them that way, we also do carry them, and they'll be a lot less expensive, and you can even rate them yourself or do whatever you want to do. All right, next up in the number 2 spot is one that's a little bit newer to our top 5, and this is our Power Master reverse mount starter. So if you're looking for a starter, and especially if you need a reverse mount, we actually have the other one too, but our reverse mount starter, this is the 9514 is the part number on this one, and it runs $236 even, and so it's a really good product. Had great feedback from our customers when they're looking for a starter that you can count on. The Power Master reverse mount starter is a good way to go. And that brings us to our top product this week. And a reminder, like, share, subscribe, all of those things, and be sure to jump onto our email list as well. So you can go to our website at CrateInsider.com. You'll probably get a pop-up that says, hey, do you want to join our email list? And then you'll stay informed of anything that's happening on a week-to-week basis, and also get any kind of special deals we might be offering. So that really goes out to our email subscribers more than anyone else. So definitely get on that list. But But our top product this week is from our friends at Daytona One. This is our XL1 engine treatment, and this is a product I've been selling this for quite a while. I use it myself. As many of you know, I actually don't have a race car myself. I'm not a racer, but there's a lot of products in here. Hey, I get a lot of fun out of watching my customers win. Is a lot better than why just me win. I want to see lots of people win, so that's why I do what I do. But I even use this in my van because with cutting down on any of the friction in a race car as an oil treatment, that this will give us more horsepower. It'll free up more horsepower because we've got less drag and less friction. In a passenger vehicle, because of less friction, we're going to get better gas mileage. So I really love this for any of the vehicles that I drive and put this in with our oil changes. So this is our XL1 engine treatment. It comes in a 16-ounce container, which is this right here. With a race car, with a 602, 604, I would just dump this whole thing in, and it's about a half a quart. So I would take a half quart of oil out and I would dump this whole thing in with that. Otherwise, with your passenger vehicle, use 2 to 3 ounces per quart, probably closer to 2, and replace that much oil with an oil change. And that'll work out great. We carry this in the 16-ounce and in the 72-ounce, I believe. I mean, it used to be 64, but now it's 72. But the 16-ounce container runs $26.69, and that is in our top product for this week. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here, and I will look forward to seeing you in another video.